I'm Cassandra.
And I'm Jaden, and we're the co-founders of FirstByte. We've been teaching STEM together for 5 years now, and what we started to notice was that educators would come to us for advice on how to bring STEM into their own classrooms.
Together, we're changing the face of STEM in Boston and beyond. We're introducing computer science and engineering concepts to students of all races, identities, and socioeconomic backgrounds, partnering with your teachers in Boston public schools. By starting in our local community, we can offer in-person and individualized support to help teachers adapt technology lessons to their current classrooms.
We made a website, teachfirstbyte.org, where educators can share and collaborate on quality computer science and engineering curricula. Join us by posting your own curriculum, teaching a prepared lesson plan, or borrowing one of our classroom technology kits from our FirstByte BPS Loaner Program.
We want teachers of all backgrounds and budgets to get their
First bite of teaching tech.